What's up, everybody? It's Beer with Bear time, and today we're drinking the Hurricane. It's going to be pretty intense. It's 8.1% alcohol. Yep. Category 5 Hurricane malt liquor. So, wish me luck. I think I'm going to throw up. I got the big one. Yeah, we'll see. Doesn't look too bad coming out of here, though. But we'll see how it tastes. Yep. But 8.1. Where's this brewed at? Brewed and canned by Anheuser-Busch, St. Louis, Missouri. St. Louis. Put that up there so we can see what we're drinking. I got my bucket and ready to throw up, but we're not going to throw up. We're going to chug it. All right, let's get fucked up. I was getting rough. Almost had to pause for a minute. Whoa. Kind of hard chug. Hard chug there. Yeah. I can definitely taste the malt liquor. Whoa. Let's try to chug some more. Look, I even left like a little bit in there. I couldn't finish that whole thing, but I'm pouring my bucket. But let's try to chug some more of it. Got a 25. Let's see if we can do it. Oh my goodness. I don't think I'm going to be able to do this, guys. This is actually really hard to chug. Like halfway through, I was like, oh my god. We're just going to chug it. It says be bold, be smooth, be powerful. Be powerful. Okay. All right. Wish me luck. About halfway down, that's too hard. Oh man, that's gross. I'm not gonna lie. That's kind of hardcore to chug. You definitely is. Oh man. Oh, not that great. Not my favorite beer to drink. Holy. Oh. Let's see if I can finish this. I feel like I'm gonna throw up if I chug this, so let's do it. Oh, I'm done drinking that. Ooh, yeah, this is hard to chug. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this will make someone throw up. Holy. All right. I don't know if I could say I chugged that one, guys. I don't think I really did. That sucked. Whew. But thanks for tuning in. And I don't know about that hurricane. You know, that's hard. Yeah. All right, but hope you enjoyed, everybody. And we'll see you on the next one. Drink responsibly.